The home inspection software has an online scheduling system, and let me show you how that works. Let me get me out of the way. And you go to the folder where it says scheduler. So there's the menu there, and there's some general settings about how this is going to look on your website. You got to tell it, when you're open, your availability, and then there's your embed code. So you just go to the embed code, you get the code, and you copy it and you give it to Inspector Website Builder that designs your website. They'll embed it for you, or you could do it yourself. Let me show you what it looks like after you embed it. So this is Big Ben Inspections. This is my fake home inspection company website, just to show you how it all works. And we're at schedule now. And here's this online scheduler. So let's say we want to schedule a home inspection and a pool inspection. And let's continue. And then we're going to pick the dates. I've got one slot on Friday and one slot on Tuesday. Let's go Tuesday, 9 a.m. And I don't, oh yeah, I do have a coupon code. How about save 50? Do I have a save 50 coupon code? No, I don't. Darn it. Is that save 40? I can't remember the coupon code. Oh, it's save 40. So there's the coupon that works. John Doe and John at gmail.com, 555. The property address is 12345 Main Avenue in Pittsburgh. Go Steelers, PA, and some zip code and some notes here. Okay. And then complete the booking. And so this is on bigbeninspections.com. This is my company website. And this is a nice feature. So booking request is submitted. This goes to me as an email, but it's also on my dashboard. So let's take a look if it's on my dashboard. So let's close this. Let's go to our dashboard. And remember that address? There it is, 12345 Main Avenue. No inspectors assigned. You got a couple inspections. They're requesting this. I want to approve it or reject it or manage the job. So let me see if I can get an inspector assigned to this. And let's just say it's going to be Rachel. Okay. And then let's just save that. So I know I have Rachel available. I might as well confirm it. So where was that? Oh, here it is. I'm going to approve this job. And the email confirmation goes to the inspector, to the company, and to the client. And there we are. We've got 12345 Main Avenue in Pittsburgh. Rachel is assigned to it. My client's name is John. It's on the 16th. We got 2 services coming up. But whoops, let's say the time has changed or something like that. Some exchanges have come about between agents or whatever, and we need to change the time. Can we do that? Yes, we can. We can do it very easily. Let's go to Wednesday and let's select 10 o'clock. And we can have myself show up as well. We can have all of the inspector. We can have everybody who's an inspector in the company, which is managed over here in your team, to show up. You can have multi-inspectors show up, and some property information. You can upload a photograph of the house. So let's say there's a folder of pictures. There's a photograph of the house and contact information. Well, I'm sure they have an agent. So you just, I think it's David, and there's the listing agent, and that's Jennifer. So you save that. And then there's the services and fees, and there's the coupon code. You can adjust that if you wanted to. And there's the reports, and there's the documents that you can upload as well. Maybe some additional ancillary documents. This is a week view. So let's go to 4 weeks and let's see that. There it is. So we changed that date to the 17th, and there's Rachel. She's going to do the inspection, and she can just pop right in to the inspection now. So let's take a look at how we can build the report. It's going to be completely empty. We're doing 2 inspections here, a full home inspection and a pool, and 0%. And we have a total of 147 items to inspect. So we've got the pool inspection and the full home inspection report. Let's just what does it look like to add a comment? It's very easy. So 1% is done. And I can add some photos if I wanted to. And let's just add a few photos, an unlimited amount of photos you can add. And there they are. It goes up real fast. And so Eric is up here. He's my QA consultant. He's telling me I have a long way to go. And I'm ready to send something to social media if I wanted to, according to the company policy. But if I wanted to send this comment to social media, I could do it. And that's in another video. But that's a general way of understanding how fast you can write a report. Grabbing these comments, and you can see your progress through each system and also overall progress through the entire property.